We are at the library today, but you won't believe what Grandpa did here. We had a big emergency in this quiet place. Grandpa and I wanted to find a good history book. I told him to stay close because the library is huge.
But Grandpa didn't follow me. He saw some funny comic books and completely forgot about the history section.
When I reached the history section, I turned around. Grandpa was not there. Oh no, he vanished again. I couldn't shout because it's a library, so I walked around, whispering, "Grandpa, where are you? Please answer me." Excuse me, have you seen an old man with round glasses?
No, I haven't seen anyone here.
I searched the first floor, the second floor, and even the reading room. Can you guess where my silly grandpa was?
I went inside the computer room. Everyone was wearing headphones. I looked at every face, but Grandpa wasn't there. I went to the head librarian and whispered, "Please help, my husband is missing." She pointed to the old archives room at the back. My heart started beating fast. I slowly walked into the darkest corner of the library. It was completely silent.
Suddenly, I heard a very strange sound coming from behind a big armchair. It sounded like snow.
And there he was. After 40 minutes of crying and searching, I found Grandpa fast asleep with a comic book on his face.
I took the book off and whispered loudly, "Grandpa, wake up! I was looking for you everywhere. Why did you fall asleep here?"
Oh, sorry, dear. The comic book was so funny, but the chair was too comfortable. I just closed my eyes for 1 minute.
I wanted to be angry, but looking at his innocent face, I just couldn't. Today's lesson is simple. Libraries are places to learn, not to sleep. And remember, always tell your partner before going away. Subscribe to Nana English Daily right now for a new conversational English story every single day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.